Okay, see here. See, we are going to study this type of problems on comparing the ratios, means A1 by A2, comma B1 by B2, and C1 by C2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, comma, are parallel or coincident. Okay, not consistent, coincident. Like the first problem, 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Right. Okay. See, in the heading, they're given. Okay, in the heading, they are already given on comparing the ratios. Okay, just see here. On comparing the ratios. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Okay, ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು just we are comparing these ratios, we have to find out the given equations are intersecting at a point. Intersecting at a point means the lines are consistent. Okay, mind it. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, intersecting at a point means the lines are consistent. Here, when lines are parallel means inconsistent. Coincide means infinitely many solutions. Okay, now we are going to find out the solution. Write its solution. The given equations are, write it. The given equations are 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, you can write this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay, these are all methods. Okay, you can follow. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2. Okay, in these two equations, first you can write what is the value of A1, what is the value of A2, what is the value of B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, values you can write. A1 value means this is first equation alva. This is first equation. Coefficient of x, this is A1. Therefore, A1 is equal to 5. Next, B1 andre coefficient of y. This is B1, that is minus 4. Next, C1. This is C1, constant, 8. Finished.
8.
Next, A2 we can write. A2 means 7 in the second equation. Okay, the coefficient of x. Next, B2 we can write the coefficient of y, it is 6. Next, the value of C2 is minus 9. Okay, now first step is over. All values of A1, A2, A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 is over. Now they are asking on comparing the ratios. Okay, comparing the ratios. Okay, A1 by A2 is equal to, write it. A1 by A2. A1 is 5 divided by A2 is 7. Finished. B1 by B2. B1 is minus 4 by B2 is 6. After simplification, 2 2s are 2 3s are. Okay, after this, after simplification, okay, you can do it. 2 2s are 2 3s are, therefore it is minus 2 by 3. Next, C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by minus 9. Okay. Okay. You find out A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Now you can tell me, now you can observe the three conditions. Just observe the three conditions. Okay. What is the property of these equations? These equations are intersecting at a point, or may be parallel, or may be consistent, coincident. Yes, anybody? Comparing the ratios, three conditions are given. Okay, you can tell me these equations are what type of equations? Two equations intersecting at a point, or maybe parallel, or maybe coincident. Yes, anybody?
Sir, intersecting.
Intersecting, sir.
In all these
Intersecting.
conditions, okay, the conditions are A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. It's satisfied now. See the first consistent condition, nodili. A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2 value is 5 by 7. Therefore, 5 by 7 does not equal to B1 by B2 minus 2 by 3. Therefore, what is our conclusion? These equations are consistent. It means the lines are intersecting at a point. The lines are intersecting at a point. Therefore, these equations are consistent. Better you can check for another two conditions. Parallelly condition is alva. Okay, you can check it once. Okay, you can check it once. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. That condition it become fails. Okay, better you can check. Next, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? Coincident condition ಇದೆ. It does not valid. Okay, therefore, therefore the given equations are consistent, and also they are intersecting at a point. And the second equation, write it. Second problem. And second and third one you can write it. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Plus 24 is equal to 0. Third problem also you can write. Third one also you can write. That's very easy. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Next, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, yes, do it now fast. As you can tell me, the second equation is consistent, intersecting at a point, or maybe parallel, or maybe coincident. As you can tell me.
Coincided.
Suhana, Manya, Varsha Singh. What is the answer for second one? For second one, you can find out fast. Take it first equation as equation 1, equation 2.
Coincident.
Okay.
Intersecting.
A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2.
Dependent.
And apply the conditions. Finished. Yes. I got the message. Coinciding. Coinciding. Is it right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
exactly. Okay, correct. Dushyant C is correct answer. Check it once, and third one also you can try. Okay, these are all 1 mark questions. Okay, just you know the condition means you can easily solve. There is no lengthy calculations here. Manya, Sneha, Jain, switch on your videos, everyone. Huh? Chaitra, who is Chaitra KN? Sakshi, Sanjana. Third one check. Oh, third one, Pooja J. She is giving coinciding. How third problem, how it is coinciding? Right, A1, A2, B1,
Sir, for
B2,
second
C1,
one,
C2.
sir.
Just coinciding means
Sir, for
A1 by
second one,
A2
I
is
have sent,
equal
sir.
to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Okay, coinciding means. Yes, third one, Nida, right answer. Third one, it is parallel. Okay, second one is coinciding. Okay, right. Third one is parallel. Okay, they are not having common solution. Okay. Okay, just I will give the what? Just I will give the final solution. Okay, for second one, coinciding or coincident, and third one it is just parallel. Okay, did you understand this type of problems? Okay, they are very simple problems and also 1 mark problems. Okay, next we shall solve in similar problems. Okay, similar problems means comparing the ratios. Okay, in second main heading, what we studied, we are comparing the ratios, and finally we are writing conclusion. They are intersecting, or maybe parallel, or maybe coincident, like this. But in the next type of problems, we should compare the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. But we can write they are consistent or maybe inconsistent. Okay, method is same, but the final step it is little bit different. Okay, write the heading on comparing the ratio. On comparing the ratios, write it A1 by A2, comma B1 by B2, comma C1 by C2. Okay, A1 by A2, comma B1 by B2, comma C1 by C2. Full stop. Find out whether the pair of linear equations, find out whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, only two are enough. Consistent or maybe inconsistent. Okay, just write the first problem. Okay, I will solve the first problem. Okay, write 3x plus 2y, first problem. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This is the first problem. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Okay, and the next you can write solution. Here this is a1 value, a2 value, but c is in RHS alva. RHS na ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು LHS ಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay, we can shift the RHS value to the LHS. For it become 3x
minus 5
plus 2y. Here plus 5 is there. It comes to LHS. It become minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Next 2x, write as it is, minus 3y. Here plus 5 it comes to LHS. It become minus 7, that is equal to 0. Therefore equation 1, equation 2 finished. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, now you can write the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. a1 is equal to 3, coefficient of x. b1 is equal to 2, coefficient of y. c1 is equal to, it is minus 5. Okay, this is minus 5. Next, in the second equation, we can write a2 is equal to coefficient of x, 2, b2 is equal to coefficient of y, it is minus 3. Okay, mind it. Okay, it is minus 3. Next, c2 is equal to minus 7. Okay. Now you can write, now you can compare the ratios. a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. a1 by a2 means, compare b1 by b2 is equal, b1 is 2 by b2 is minus 3. c1 by c2 is equal to, c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 7, minus divided by minus, it become plus, therefore 5 by 7. Now you can compare the ratios. Okay, ಆ 3 conditions ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ 3 conditions just recall ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ. First condition ಏನು, a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. It is true now. It is true alva. a1 anta, a1 by a2 means 3 by 2 does not equal to, it is minus 2 by 3. Finished. Therefore it confirm the given equations are consistent. Finished. Problem over. Better you can check it for another 2 conditions. Inconsistent ಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, those 2 conditions they become fail, but these 2 equations are consistent. Finally write conclusion. Sorry, consistent. Finished. Second one I will give. Okay, another 4 problems are there. Okay, solve fast. Second one, write it. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. Second one I will write 2x minus 3y is equal to 8. 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. Second one. Next, third one, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Third one. Okay, you can solve. Solve second one. Next, third one I will give. Next, 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. Next, minus 10x. When the coefficient will come minus, okay, you should be very careful. Okay, minus is very important. Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Next, fifth one, 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, find out fast. Let's find out second inconsistent. Second one. Yes. Okay, second one, inconsistent condition you can verify. Okay, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 does not equal to C1 by C2. Okay, condition verify ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Second one. Third one ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, here fraction is given as, see here ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 by 2 fraction ಇದೆ, 5 by 3 fraction ಇದೆ. What you will do? Take LCM. Take LCM. Okay, and the coefficient should be whole number. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇದೇ ತರ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, you will get correct value, no problem. Take A1 value 3 by 2, A2 value 9, finished. B1 is 5 by 3, B2 is minus 10. Take and solve the problem. Okay, no problem, you will get correct answer. Yes, tell me third problem, 3 by 2x plus s. Third one consistent. Okay, third one consistent, right? Pooja J, right? What about others? Try fast. Just compare the ratios. Take LCM. Otherwise you don't know LCM means. You don't know the LCM means directly you can solve. Okay, last 5 minutes is there, fast. Okay, just I will do that third problem. Other two problems you can do it. And again I got message. Consistent, which one, Dushyant? That is fourth one now. 2, 3. Yes, fourth one.
Oh, sir, third one.
Consistent, okay.
Third one.
Third also consistent, okay. Nida correct. Okay, Manya also correct. Right, I will solve this problem. Okay, here 3 by 2, 5 by 3 is given. Okay, therefore we can take 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ಗೆ LCM ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, 6 is the LCM. Okay, for 2 and 3, 6 is the LCM. Okay, take 6 as LCM solution. Okay, 6 you can take it LCM. 2 by 6 also. Okay, 6 by 2 means it is 3. Therefore this 3 should be multiplied with the numerator. Okay, therefore 3 3 is a 9x plus denominator 3 there. LCM is 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2, and this 2 should be multiplied with the numerator 5. Therefore it becomes 10y, that is equal to 7. Therefore 9x plus 10y is equal to 9x plus 10y is equal to this 6 multiplied with 7. 7 6 are 42. Okay. Therefore 9x plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Equation 2 ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ 9x minus 10y, okay, that is equal to what? 14. Okay, that is minus 14 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9x, okay, 9x minus 10y, 14 comes to LHS, means it become minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore equation 2. A1 A2 same, therefore A1 A2 B1 by B2 and C1 C2. Okay, compare. A1 is equal to 9, B1 is equal to 10, C1 is equal to minus 42. Correct? Okay. 6 is LCM. Yes. 9x, 10y. Okay, correct. A2 is equal to 9, B2 is equal to minus 10. Okay, B2 is equal to minus 10. C2 is equal to minus 40. Therefore, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Correct? A1 by A2 antandre 9 by 9. Okay, sorry. First find out A1 by A2 is equal to 9 by 9, that is equal to 1. B1 by B2 is equal to 10 by minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 42 by minus 14. It is 3. Yes, you can compare first. Compare and tell me the answer. Okay, if the given equations are dependent pairs of equations, linear equations, they are also consistent. Okay. Therefore, what is your conclusion? A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, consistent. Okay. Therefore, consistent. Okay. Clear? Okay. You can solve another 2 problems. Okay. I think already time is over. In the next class onwards, I shall solve sentence problems. Okay. Those sentence problems, by reading the sentence, we can construct the equations, and wherever it is necessary, we shall draw the graphs. Okay. Thank you all. Okay, just learn well, don't waste time. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, 5th one consistent.
Hi, sir.